Hello everyone, we've got an intriguing little circle theorems question here. What does it say? So it says A, B and C are the points on a circle with centre O. CD is a tangent to the circle. The angle BCD is 40 degrees. Let's get that labelled. So the angle BCD is 40 degrees, so that is there. The angle OAB here is 3 times the angle OAC, the angle OAC. So what they're saying is that if that is x, that is 3x. And we've got to try and find the angle ACD in the end. Okay, let's have a little think about this. So I feel like the first thing we could do here is make use of the alternate segment theorem. So we can say that the angle BAC, in other words, this whole angle here, that one, is equal to the angle BCD, is equal to the angle BCD, and that is using the alternate segment theorem. So alternate segment theorem. Okay, so that's fine. So we've stated what we've used. Now, that means that x add 3x, so therefore x add 3x has to equal 40. So 4x has to equal 40, so x has to equal 10. Right, now that's really useful. So that means we now know that this is 30 degrees. This is also 30 degrees. Now, what we've used here is, so we can say angle ABO, angle ABO equals 30 degrees, and we can say that that base angles in an isosceles triangle are equal. Okay, so we know that that is 30 there. So now we know that this angle here is going to be 180 minus 30 minus 30. So it's going to equal 120, because that's going to be 60 add 120 is 180. So that's fine. So we've now worked that out. And we can say, we can write, if we're going to write down reasons for every single, although to be honest, it seems like there is only one mark available for the reasoning, and it's only for the circle theorem. So literally we've already put down, so in this particular question it's worth 4 marks. Okay, 4 marks. 3 of them are method marks and 1 of them is a reasoning mark for the circle theorem. So we've got the C1 means like a reasoning kind of mark. So we've got that mark there for stating that we use the alternate segment theorem to work that one out and that one. So we're not really going to get any more extra marks by writing down every single reason for every step. So I don't really need to do that moving forward. Okay, so that's going to be 120. Now, the angle at the circumference is equal to half the angle at the centre. So that means that this angle here is going to be 60 degrees. I may as well write that one down. So we can put AC, because that is the circle theorem, ACB. So the angle oops, make sure we can see it. Angle ACB, there, ACB. This one here, ACB, is equal to 60 degrees, and we can say the angle at the centre is twice the angle at the circumference. Okay, so that's the circle theorem that we've used to deduce that if that's 120, that one must be 60. So now we've got our answer. So therefore angle ACD, so therefore angle ACD is equal to 60 add 40 is equal to 100 degrees, and that's that one done. Perfect. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. Remember, if you are finding these videos useful, if you could like and subscribe to the channel, that's going to be great. That's going to help me keep on making more videos moving forward. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.